Comrades, the sight of you is unbelievable. You all look so amazing on this special day, the day of the 84th annual conference of the People's National Party. And I am so proud to stand before you as a Vice President. Today I join 3 comrades who have served before and who have pledged to guide me with their experience, and I look forward to that. But comrades, I also have to thank Vice President Eugene Kelly and Vice President Richard Azan. They have served this party loyally and faithfully, and they have demonstrated their comradeship by allowing 2 of us to be here and stepping back, and I think we ought to pay them tribute. Comrades, we know that we are going into difficult times. We know we are going into challenging times, but we all here pledge and commit to you that we understand that our role and responsibility is to return the People's National Party, a party that puts people first as government of this beautiful country. And comrades, 84 years ago, when Norman Manley launched this party, he said an era had come where people should not only feel that they live here, but they should feel that they belong, and that their destiny is irrevocably bound up with the destiny of this country. And that is what we pledge, that we will walk with you, that we will talk with you, and that we'll hold your hands on this journey, because time come. Comrades, time come for the return of the People's National Party.